This video is about working with JSON data files. JSON is JavaScript object notation which stores data. Working with Python dictionaries, you have familiarity with the syntax for JSON. JSON does not allow comments nor variable names like Python dictionaries. We have a JSON file named example.json which is storing income statement data. Knowing how to work with JSON data is very beneficial in gaining skills for other Python tasks. Create a file and name it parse.json.py. Import JSON. Load the JSON data file. With open function statement, provide the path to where the JSON file is in your directory. Letter R means read in the file, as F, which is shorthand for file. Data equals json.load file. Print out the data. In the terminal, run the file. We see the data is inside a list array. Now that we know what the JSON data looks like, let us loop the data for net sales. Create an empty array with the name sales_net. For sale in data, sales_net.append sale brackets net sales. Our for loop will search the data for any net_sales and add to the sales_net array. We print out the sales_net array to see the values. We print out the sum of the sales_net array. We run the file and see net sales per year is an array with 11,162 and 8,169. Total net sales is $19,331. We can create a Python function getJSON_data. We make years as a variable for an empty array, sales as a variable for an empty array. We will loop through the data to get the year and net sales. For x in range function, of the length of the data, year is data index x, bracket year. Print the year using the f-string formatting. Then years.append year to the array. Sale is data index x, bracket net sales. Print net sales as sale using the f-string formatting. Sales.append sale to the array. Call the function and run the file. Our output is year 2015 with net sales of 11,162. Year 2014 has net sales of 8,169. JSON data can be used at scale for large projects for various Python tasks. And that concludes this video.